So today I'm reviewing the State Farm app and showing you how it can simplify your insurance management. The State Farm app is designed to make managing your insurance policies quick and easy. You can access all your policies in one place, including auto, home, and renters insurance. It also lets you pay your bills, file claims, and even track claim status, all in your phone. One of the most useful features is the ability to get roadside assistance directly through your app. If your car breaks down, you can request help with just a few taps. The application also has a drive safe save feature. This basically monitors your driving habits and can help you to save money on your auto insurance if you drive safely. Another great tool is the policy management section. You can update your personal information, add coverage, or even access your insurance card So basically you don't need to carry your physical card anymore. And while the application is super convenient, some users report some problems, like slow loading times for example. However, these issues are not a problem at all. And yeah, thank you for watching.